nung dumating si Ethan. So Ethan's everyday also changed kasi everyday he was falling in love with her. Yan.
Tara, parang ang ganda-ganda naman maging si Liza, di ba? So, sino to talaga, eksena. Oo, yes. First question, second question, sino gustong magtanong? Simulan na natin ito. Lahat kayo parang busy-busy sa cellphone, nasa na text-text na lang. Chiga. Ikaw muna, the sweet box. Ayun. Okay, ito yung microphone.
Sorry.
Ayan.
Hi guys!
Wow.
Congrats in advance. Sweet box. Ayan. First lang for Enrique and Liza. Congratulations kasi follow up agad na. Within the year, di ba? Na Just the Way You Are. Kamusta yung feeling na may follow up agad yung movie ninyo? Yung first film ninyo together?
Siyempre masaya po. Masaya, it's always a blessing pag may project kang natanggap. Siyempre, we're just happy, you know, to be back in the big screen. And ngayon naman, they wanted to bring us or present us in a more mature way. So something that they've never seen us before, more mature characters, mas seryoso yung story na gusto nilang gawin. Yung sinabi na after Just the Way You Are, so sabi namin, okay, it's gonna be new, I guess, for the people. So let's give it a shot. So, we're happy, excited.
Ayun, we're happy. We're happy kasi syempre, nabigyan kagad kami ng work and syempre, we're excited also kasi it's always fun to do a new project with new people and to learn new things.
And to be back with Direk May. Kasi nag-start kami sa season 1 and we're back together. So, yeah.
Oo, tama. Hindi pala ako pesta.
Wala kang taping na yun.
Wala.
Hey, next. How was it working naman with Gerald?
I worked with Gerald before, Budoy, sa Till My Heart Aches End. And it's always a joy, it's an honor. So, yeah, we're just really blessed for this project. Kasama sila. Yeah.
Yun, masaya, makulit din siya. And it's easy to work with him kasi syempre magaling po siyang umarte and it's easy to get along with him.
Okay na.
Wow, parelo. Ganun pala, hindi ko naman nagawa agad.
I will add lang na kasi we're very grateful that Gerald accepted this project. Kasi sa totoo, seriously, kasi sa totoo, when the story was pitched sa akin and we were discussing it, parang sabi namin, who could play the boyfriend na who could play that role? Kasi you can't just put anybody there. Kailangan compelling. Kailangan yung parang magiging torn yung character ni Audrey. Magiging torn din yung audience. Who will they root for? So, tas meron syempre merong depth yung kailangan nung artista na yon. So, we're very grateful that he accepted the project. I know na parang, di ba, parang syempre tatlo sila dito, but he accepted the project because na-pitch sa kanya and he liked the concept and yun nga, and he's perfect for the role kasi hindi basta kahit sino lang ang pwedeng ilagay dun sa role na yun.
And in addition lang, kasi kanina we're discussing, parang ang galing nung kasi parang bumalik yung PBB days na aura ni Gerald. Yan, ganun ka.
Hindi ko alam kung matutuwa pa ako.
Kaya wala kang relo.
Pero dahil Gerald.
Parang sa camera po ba? Or what's the magic behind that?
Lighting.
Pinabata niya ako ng 10 years.
Hindi ko alam.
So, na-shoot na nila yun pagpasok pa lang ng PBB.
Uy, naman ko talaga siya. As in, sabi ko gusto ko naman beauty shots talaga. Pero, alam mo yun, hindi naman pang beauty lang naman yun eh. I think it's his aura. Parang siguro nagkataon na Oo, kasi kahit naman anong gawin mo sa di ba? Camera ko yung aura ng tao so yun, so I think it's him.
Yung aura ko pang PBB.
Congrats for that.
Ang gwapo-gwapo talaga ni Gerald nung pinapanood ko yung yung trailer.
Last na lang. For Gerald, kamusta naman yung, may level up ba sa part mo since you're paired with Liz Kit this time?
Level up?
Or what extra effort?
Siguro kasi syempre, kumbaga, love team na kasi sila. So parang, pag pinanood mo, parang, pag sinabi mo may project kaming tatlo, iisipin mo na, ay, sila na talaga yung di ba?